Hey, Alpha fam, welcome back to another episode of Alpha Commission. Today on Alpha Commission, of course, we're going to go over Ethereum. Now, it has been a little while since I did cover Ethereum, and so just for truth and advertising, I did want to go over the last episode that I did mention it 2 weeks ago, because, of course, that actually did cover it quite well, as you'll see. And so, guys, for Ethereum, we're still going to be bullish above, 1300, and we don't want to lose 12,000, pardon me, 1285. And then let me take a look at where our momentum zone is. Um, yeah, I would actually say 1275 is still the level we don't want to break down below. So 1275 gonna give me a bearish perspective. I really want to see above 1300 in order to be bullish, and then I'm going to be uber bullish above 1330, and I'm going to be uber, just super bearish underneath 1235. So there you have it, guys. That was just a little bit of truth in advertising there, a little bit of transparency. So 1235 was really the breakdown number that we had, and of course, we never did, violate that zone. And so if we do zoom in here on the good old Ethereum chart, you can see our previous, just the alpha calls over here with the momentum boxes. And although it was a little bit of a sloppy bounce, we did in fact get the bounce that we were looking for. We did close above the momentum box, had a nice bounce, swam around the 2 to 5 day momentum pool, closed on top of there. You'll notice we never did violate that 12 to 35, 1235 threshold for bearishness. And in fact, we never closed below the, that kind of a 1275 level for even a hint of bearishness. And so all of this was just gravy, and that's why I haven't had to do an update on Ethereum, because quite frankly, we completely complied with the momentum pools that I developed 2 weeks ago. And from there, it's just been boom, guys, just like an absolute amazing skyrocket on the chart off of the alpha momentum pools. And what have we acquired for that all of that effort? We did get a nice 30% jump in the price. And so, guys, we are just absolutely killing it over here at Alpha Commission. The alpha momentum pools are just an incredible strategy that, combined with our other analysis, such as volatility and price action, and then, of course, using our EMAs for guidance, has just created a system that is winning and continues to win, and we are severely outperforming the market. However, because we are reaching this kind of a toppiness, as you can see if we just kind of scroll out, I do have this red zone up here, another red zone up here, kind of a green zone here that we turned into support, right, with this confirmation. And so it is time to just update these momentum pools, just so you have a little bit of an idea of what to perhaps look out for in the coming few days, or perhaps the coming week, should the news with the Federal Reserve be bad, right? If it's good, then we're just going to continue to enjoy our long, which, again, guys, like we've just been absolutely killing it. I mean, this was just an amazing call. It was an amazing play, and it's still playing out. I don't see anything wrong with this for the time being, okay? And so here's our updated momentum pools. Of course, you can see that we do need to hold above 1620 in order for bullishness. If we do violate 14 1488. I can probably get a more specific number, 1490. Then my daily momentum pool is going to suggest that we've lost our daily momentum. The 2 to 5 day projection loses its momentum around 1515. So if you're looking forward in time, the price action does need to rise in order for us to maintain that momentum. Again, guys, this momentum is derived using 4 different types of momentum over 5 different time periods, so time frames. So this is as accurate as I can get it. Now, if you just want some type of a scale, I do have an alpha momentum scale over here where I will be uber bullish over 1700. If we get a nice couple candle closures above 1700, then probably we're going to defeat this red zone up here and maybe even continue to the upside. But I do expect this to be a pretty tough boss to beat. We may be starting to get into some of that resistance right now. The market could front run it, and so that's why I'm doing this update, even though our play is completely still valid, right? And guys, you can see that in order to have a continued bullish bias, we really do have to be above that 1620 level. I'm going to still lean bullish-ish above 1595. And that's because we do have this naked candle right here. And so if we do just drop down in price action to kind of fill out that naked candle, as long as we hold above that area, then I'm still going to lean bullish. But I got to tell you guys, 1620 is really a line in the sand right now. We gotta defend that territory. So both on the 2 to 5 day projection as well as the daily momentum, we are going to be more negative than positive in this ambiguity zone between bullish and bearish. And it is a pretty large zone, right? That is the momentum pool that we could potentially just swim around in, right? And it's kind of like the fog of war, right? There's a little bit of confusion there. You don't exactly know how the price is going to go, but you can generally front run the bullish play above 1595, 1620 if you're conservative, and then you can front run the bearish play pretty solidly by 1500. And then if you just want to be kind of officially bearish, at least in my mind, that's around 1430. Again, these are judgment calls. It's not financial advice. I'm just trying to develop a system that's reliable for us. This one has been working out for several weeks, and so I am going to continue to use it. We will lose all of our momentum and just be pointed dramatically to the downside if we do lose 1195. So there you have it, guys. Just a brief Ethereum update. Guys, congratulations. We have just been doing a tremendous job, and 30% is nothing to sneeze at, okay, guys? So just boom, guys. Congratulations. That's your alpha for the day. Stay safe and happy trading.